Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Coming like a thief in the night. I was busy, but I missed you.
Let's start. First, open Capcut. Go to New Project. First add one photo, and then add black background from stock videos. Delete the end part. Now, tap on plus icon and add 3 photos. Select Format 9:16. Now adjust photos to full screen. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now add text. Go to text and write, "Sorry, you're not my type." Or you can write your own text. Choose style and place anywhere you want. Now apply this text layer till the end of first photo. Now write 16 missed calls. First write 16. Again, go to text and write missed. Go to text again and write calls. Now adjust text layer according to the lyrics. Now, split and delete the extra part of the text layer. Now check the video. Now, select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.